So guys, this is how they grind the chilies. So guys, this is how they pound the fufu here. They pound it. So we are body any banche. So this is a plantain. Here or there. Give me a nice one. I don't like the hair. Nice one. Here or there. There's some nice tables there. So we need to go this way or huh? Should we go? Come. Here? Or here? So guys, this is how they grind their chilies. You can use blender, but in traditional Ghana, this is how we grind it. So there's a ginger in there, there's a scotch bonnet, there's onion. Yeah, and then I'm going to pour this on my soup to give it more flavor. And this is how the choba look like. It's a very, very nice choba. My food, the fufu is served there. And they have a drinks and everything there as well. Pork is glory lamb, food and pork. Apiasi, Equiapim. The name of the area. Apiasi. Yeah. Apiasi, Equiapim. Thank you, yeah. So what about if you don't know how to pour? What do you do?
So they will help you. Okay. They will do it for you.
Wow, look. Alright guys, look at the ginger. Wow, look at that. So here you prepare your own. Yes, the underground.
You grind it to your taste when you come.
If you want it strong or sharp.
Add salt.
So now you're 20, but I'm 15. What's it? What are you 20? So guys, this is how they pound the fufu here. They pound it. So we are body any banche. So this is a plantain and a cassava fufu. The soup is just down here. I'll show you guys shortly. And the restaurant is on Aburi Road, I think going to Mampom Road. I'll show you the name of the 20 room. Give me a nice one. I don't like the hair. Nice one. They give me plenty soup, eh? This food here, that's a light soup there with fresh fish. There's a lot of soup here. There's dry fish there. There's so much. Wow, look at that. You're like, yeah. Back where's it? Yeah, mine back. Wait, now me know.
Smoke salmon tuna.
Eh?
Smoke salmon tuna.
Mommy tuna. Tuna. So we're palm soup. Yeah, give me this one.